So next up, we have another photochemical decomposition reaction. So first thing is we have the silver. So this is your silver bromide. Then we have silver and bromine. So let me write it off. This is silver. That's our bromine. Okay, let's balance it out. So we have Ag, Br, Ag and Br2. Again, it's similar to your other reaction. Now this is 1 and 1. This is 1 and this is none. This is none and this is 2. What did I do? I wrote all the reactants and the product on the first row, and in the first column all the atoms that is related to the reaction. And then we count it. AgBr, you have silver to be 1, bromine to be 1. In Ag, we have silver to be 1 and bromine to be none. And in Br2, no silver, while you have your bromine to be 2. And now let's look at it. So this is 2. For balancing out, we need to multiply this with 2. For this to be 2, we have AgBr that has to be 2 for this to be 2. That is, if I want bromine in this particular column, I need to multiply AgBr, that is silver bromide, to be 2. Only then this happens. If silver bromide is 2, then silver is also 2. So basically on the right hand side, we have silver to be 2, and so this is 2 basically. There are 2 silver. Okay. Now, end of it, you have AgBr in presence of sunlight gives us silver and bromine. So this is supposed to be a gas. This is a solid, and this too is a solid. Now, how can you figure out that the reaction has happened? First is, of course, there is change in solid color. So here we have a pale yellow, solid silver bromide that will gradually change to darken to gray or black color. They get darkened to gray. Okay, just let me write black or gray color. Okay, so that's your change in color. Of course, we have your gas formation. And this is a, since this is bromine gas, it is reddish brown. I think yeah, no, it's reddish brown. It is reddish brown, yeah. So this has a pungent smell. I remember this when I was in my 12th grade. I remember this. The chemistry lab used to smell of this, I mean, not because of this reaction, but the pungent smell, I mean. Okay, why does it happen? It's the same reason as the other set of reaction, photochemical reaction. So when the light falls, we have the molecules electron to get excited. So this is enough for it to break, and so on and so forth. Right? That's the entire story. So the bromine will give up its atom, silver will take it up, and it becomes, stabilized, while Br combines with the other Br, so forming Br2, and it exit. How does it exit? It will exit as a gas.